Hey y'all. Okay, so today I have a couple things that I'm doing. But I'm thinking about wearing this. Well, it's not really a couple. I just gotta run to Walmart to grab something. I'm gonna lay this out for y'all. But well, maybe I should put it on a hanger. Okay, I probably should have thought of an easier way to do this, but basically I'm thinking this like crop top sweater, short sleeve, so it's good to wear even with this weather because it's still kind of hot in Texas. Well, kind of. It's hot in Texas, so I think that will still give the, kind of the fall vibe because I'm going to a fall event or like gathering, I guess you can say. One of my friends are throwing, and it's really small and like a craft day brunch. So we're doing that. So I was like, I could possibly wear that. And then here is just like two skirts I'm gonna try on. They're basically similar. I don't know if y'all can even see them. I'm gonna lay them out on my bed for y'all. And then I have my H&M slides. So we're gonna see how those look. So okay y'all, so this is what I was saying. So this is the top I'm thinking about wearing today. So today I am going to a craft brunch day with my friends. One of my friends are hosting it. And I'm thinking about wearing this because it's still hot, of course, in Texas. And it's short sleeve, it's a crop top. So I'm thinking about wearing this where I don't think I'll be too hot in this. And I got this from Marshall. It was $14.99, which is really good. So I'm thinking about wearing this top. And I'm thinking about pairing it with these bottoms that I got from Pretty Little Thing last year. And I'm sure they still have this. But basically, this is like a long, I would say stop at like my ankle skirt. I'm going to try it on for y'all. But I think that would be so cute together. And plus, I will be adding my H&M, I guess like Coach dupes with it. So we're gonna see how it looks. If these don't look good with it, I do have a backup. So we're gonna see how that looks. And yeah. The Sheen earrings that I showed you guys in the last vlog. So here's like a close up on them. These are so cute, and I think I'm going to wear one today. Not sure yet, so I'm going to try them on, and we'll see. So hey y'all, so I am thinking about trying these lashes on. If they're not giving, I will be taking them out. Okay, but they're super long. I'm not really going to wear. I don't really wear lashes like that no more, so I would like to just try it just to see. I do feel like they give the effect of like you got your lashes done sometimes. So I'm gonna just see if it's giving that with these. So we'll see. Okay, y'all. So I put on the lashes and they are super long and thick, which is, it can be good depending on what you're going for. But for me, I'm not really a thick lash girly, long, thick. So I don't know. I think I may try cutting it down. So let me see how this gonna look. Oh, this one's like falling. Okay, let me do that and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so this is how the fit turned out. Okay, so I went ahead and changed my shirt. So this shirt is from H&M, and the skirt still is Pretty Little Thing. So I switched it from the sweater top because I felt like, I don't know, it didn't didn't look right with the skirt. And I don't know if I like the sweater top as much as I thought. And then plus it's crop top, so I don't really know why I even chose to do a crop top sweater. It's kind of, I don't know, usually that's not my vibe, but I think it was the pants that I tried it on with that looked really good. So I may still keep it. But anyway, so yeah, I've just decided to do this. I feel like it's still giving like a fall vibe. I got my skirt here. And I'm trying to decide on the shoes. Let me zoom in. If I can zoom. Oh, okay. I'm still trying to learn how to work this. Okay, so they kind of look similar, very much similar. So I don't know if I want to go with like the one without the strap or this one with the strap. So this is the Coach dupe that everyone's been wearing. This is from, both of these are from H&M. And they're very much similar besides the back. So the back has a strap and everything. So this is the fit. Make sure y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can see the whole fit. And yeah, as far as the jewelry, so I opted for the Sheen earrings. They are so cute. I think this is like my favorite one because I tried on the bow ones and they wasn't really giving like I thought they would. And the other ones, they're really cute, but I just really love that this is just a pop of like a pearlish color, I think you can call it. Oh, but yeah, let me see if I can zoom in on them. Oh, okay. As soon as I learn how to fix it, get the zoom right. So yeah, and then I think I may wear my glasses. I got my lashes on too. But yeah, so I'm not really that much of a lash girly. So I'm gonna just put these back on. Well, I wear lashes sometimes on occasion. So, but today is really chill, I think. But yeah, so I think this is gonna be my outfit. I think I'm going to wear this H&M bag with it. And yeah, I may put on some blush, but I really wanted like a nice fresh face too. So yeah. In my hair, I was thinking about dipping my hair to make it a little bit more curly, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to do so. Uh-oh, I'm trying to. So yeah, y'all. So this is the look. Hey. Make sure I take a thumbnail picture. All right, y'all.
Okay, I'm like, why is it so zoomed in?
Okay, y'all. So, ooh, not the lash sticking to my glasses because they so long. Okay, so I went ahead and opted to not do blush. Not because I just didn't want it. It's because I cannot find none of my blushes and I just don't know. Like, they're in my closet somewhere, in my bathroom closet somewhere. I just don't. I need to organize that, but that can be another video for another day. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go without any blush today. So yeah, but I'm loving like the clean face look. So I think we'll be okay. So I will see you guys later. Maybe when I pick you up next, I will be heading to Walmart because I gotta grab some things before I go to the event. So
But I got connected with her marketing person there because she get the milk though. Once a month, like what? You'll have all the content in the world. Yeah. So I was like, I will help you. Yeah. And she was like, okay, like we can figure out how like I can pay you or whatever. I was like, I don't even care about getting paid. Is this my phone? Yes. Just little bar. I was like, a week at I was gonna say for business, especially 1 week. But she was like, maybe we can work something else here if you're helping with content like remotely. Then I can I can accrue.
Then I'm gonna use.
I was like, I'm down.
So do you
I'm
make
down
this
for
at
that.
home?
So.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Yes. Sometimes. Most of the time I just buy it, but I need to start making it at home because
So good. Everything was made.
$5 for a cup of matcha is
And,
crazy.
It's crazy and it adds up too.
It does. When I could just buy the powder and make a whole lot of cups.
Right.
They're a lot cheaper.
You're like,
Oh, Taylor?
this is like cookie. Hey, oh, you look so cute, Frank.
Hey friends, say hey.
I know. No,
I miss you.
And I just do it until my heart is content. I think all the lumps are
And it's blue. I've never seen a blue matcha.
real good. Yes.
Honestly, I've never had it until I bought this bag, and I just bought it yesterday.
Does that have caffeine in it?
Yeah, matcha has caffeine.
I'm about to be jumping off the walls because I'm gonna have one.
Yeah.
And I have this.
So you said it's not that much, right?
Vanilla. I don't know why it's blue though.
I kind of want to try it. But also I'm like scared I'm not gonna like it.
That is so
do like a paints at wine night. Thank you.
Ew, it's
Ooh, let me see.
Because I used to do painting with this whisk. And now it's so expensive. Oh, you can lift it.
I never thought to buy one of these because they're usually 20
I have a
each
bunch of
cup.
canvases.
Oh, let me see hers too.
There we go.
Oh, it's so cute.
It matches my nails. Yes.
Hey, boo.
Hey, boo.
I forgot about that.
Oh, you painting? Oh, let me see yours actually. Is yours like a rainbow?
I don't know what it is. I was trying to make a picture. I'm trying to figure out how to make like a...
Arlene.
Let me Google it.
There's
Let me zoom in on yours.
Okay. Let's go, girls.
ooh, push nail on.
so cute. Peach. Cute. And all stickers.
Over here.
Nope.
It was worth though.
Oh, white.
And we could put like a Bob Ross or something on the TV.
Literally, there. I'll just...
What does it say? That. Oh, okay.
No back.
Okay. matcha. This is vanilla flavored matcha. That's blue.
The bag.
Super cute.
The back.
This came with lids, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't know where the lids are for I'll leave it back.
Okay, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and close out this vlog. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I'm hoping that you guys are loving the fall content. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. I will be continuing the fall content for this season, so if you're into that, make sure you subscribe. And yes guys, I'll see y'all next time.